Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to continue the poetry The Sparrow. The Sparrow has been written by Paul Laurence Dunbar. Let's have a quick recap of stanza 1 of the poem. The poem is about a sparrow that came to the poet's window. The sparrow settles on the windowsill. It flutters, chirps, and hops outside the speaker's window to distract the poet's attention, which the speaker neglects because he is working. Central idea of the poem. Despite of continuous flow of grace, that means despite of beautiful nature around us, humans in their busy world of struggles do not remember to tap into the grace from above. That means human being does not have time to look around to see the love of God for us in the form of this beautiful nature, prosperous nature. And because of their ignorance, humans live an entire life of struggle for worldly things, for the hustle and bustle of livelihood. Stanza 2. So birds of peace and hope and love come fluttering earthward from above to settle on life's windowsills and ease our load of earthly ills. But we, in traffic's rush and din, too deep engaged to let them in, with deadened heart and sense plod on, nor know our loss till they are gone. Explanation of stanza 2. The sparrow symbolizes peace, hope, and love. It is the gift of nature that tries to ease the problems we face on the earth and helps us forget the worries about life. But we neglect the presence of the sparrow as we are deeply engaged in the hustle and bustle of life. We, the humans, are hard-hearted people who don't even realize our loss when the bird flies away. Difficult words and their meanings. Windowsill, a narrow shelf that is attached to the bottom of a window. Ease, relax. Din, a loud, confusing mixture of noises. Dreadened, lack of life. Plod, to walk slowly and heavily. What is the rhyme scheme of a poem? A rhyme scheme is the pattern of rhymes at the end of each line of a poem. It is usually referred to by using letters like A, B, C, and so on to indicate which lines rhyme. Lines designated with the same letter all rhyme with each other. The rhyming couplets are written with the similar colors in stanza 2 you must have seen. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? What is this type of a rhyme scheme called? The poem has AABB rhyme scheme. The AABB rhyme scheme uses sections of 4 lines divided into 2 couplets. A couplet consists of 2 lines that rhyme with each other. The series of couplets continue for the rest of the poem. For example, in the poem, A little bird with plumage brown beside my window flutters down. Here you must have seen brown, down. They both are rhyming. So A. A moment chirps with little strain, then taps upon my window pane. Strain, pain. B. Understood, children? Thus, we come to the end of the poetry. Have a great day.